This video starts here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here in Kenya, it's around noon. And today I've come with a different video, guys. I hope you're gonna like it and enjoy it at the same time and get educated. So thanks, guys, for clicking. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you a lot. I don't take that for granted. May you be blessed and come back again next time, as always. And if you've stopped here for the first time, kindly feel the urge to subscribe. We are towards 500 subscribers. So far, it's so good. I know at one point we're gonna reach there. Imagine only asking for only 500 subscribers, and as I speak today, I have like 309 subscribers. So I'm asking you wholeheartedly, because when I check my YT studio, it tells me that, I mean analytics, it tells me that more people that are watching me have not yet subscribed. So a higher percentage have not yet subscribed. For if you are one or among them, kindly watch as you also subscribe. Just pause it there and dial the subscription button. I really appreciate. Thanks for stopping by anyways. So guys, today I just want to share with you how you use the automatic breast pump. If you're a new mom in town, don't worry, I got your back. I got your back, and hope you're gonna learn something out of it and get entertained, because that's my main aim for now, and it has always been like that. So then let's indulge into the video. So guys, I have this thing here called automatic breast pump from new mommies in town, or even if you're not a new mommy and you wish to have this, kindly, it doesn't cost a lot, like $20 only, if I'm not wrong. That's the amount I got it at. So if you wish to have one, kindly go and have one. So guys, I want to show you how I used this, or how to use this breast pump if it's your first time user, because when I bought this I didn't have any idea on how to use it, but later with time and seeing some content creators also enlightening people on how to use it, I got to use it with ease. So thanks a lot for that video. That's why I've also decided to create my own video showing you. Maybe when I explain it you'll understand it more than when others explain it. So that's why I'm here. I'm here for you, new mommies, or if even though you're not a mommy and you intend to become one. So this helps mostly to those mommies that have babies, and maybe they're also working mothers. And even if you're not a working mother, you can use it just at home, because you find that at times the breast milk comes out so much that even your baby cannot finish it, for those that have that problem like me here. So you can pump it and the baby, put it to the freezer, then fridge, I mean the refrigerator, we call it. So then you give your baby later, and as the day goes by. So this comes along. So you can also find that if you don't press that milk, it will start notifying your tops, because the cloth that you put on, you find that it gets dirty. So this comes in handy for that purpose. So before that, I'm gonna show you all it contains in this box. It contains these two bottles, and this one here for the baby to consume that milk. Then there are two pipes here, these two. It also has the pipes. Right, let's continue. So as I was saying earlier, it also comes with this. So let me show you them practically. So this is how it is. The two bottles are here. The two bottles that I said earlier. Then we have this one here. This one for the babies. Then this one here, it comes this way. This helps in pumping. So we put this one inside here. You know how it's called? This is what exerts the pressure so that the milk can come out. Then this one also helps in creating pressure, so it's closed from up here. Then same thing to this. As I said earlier, there are two. So this is for this side. As you can see, this way. And this one here is for this side. So this is how it's supposed to be. And it got a pipe here. This pipe, there's supposed to be two. This is the pipe, so this pipe is connected here in case you're using the two bottles at a go. So the pipe should be this way in case using the two. Then this one here, it was dismantled, so I'm trying to return it back. Then this is what holds the pipes together. So one of the pipes you connect this way. I think it should face this other side. And the other pipe should be connected to these. I'll put it this way. Focus, focus, focus. Yeah, like that. It shouldn't be tight. So it should be this way. Then that. Then lastly, last but not even last, second last, we have this. This is the machine that helps in pumping. So you connect it here. Like that. Then lastly, it comes with both these ones, therefore the baby's milk, but it also comes with this, the charger, which you connect to the adapter and to the machine or the pump. There is the pump. Then you connect to the adapter, this one. After that, you just open your books and put them here. I know some of you I know what some of you are thinking, hey, focus. So you put it this way and it pumps, and this one can also help in regulating the pressure. For example, when you want to put it on, the on button is this one here. This one here. No, you can see. Yeah. Then this one is for adding the pressure. This one is for subtracting the pressure. And this one specifically, I don't know what it's used, but I don't know whether I used it. I think this one is for on. Press it on, and this one is to show you for it to start functioning. This one is just for putting it on, and this one is to put it to function. Then that's it. When you're done, you remove your pipe like this. Then so the milk enters through here down. It doesn't come through the pipe. This pipe here, its main function, because earlier on I thought it's for the milk to go through it this way, but no, it's just for pressure. After you put your bulb here, the milk comes from here and it enters through here up to down here. Then after that, just take your milk, put in the freezer, in the refrigerator. Then later you'll warm it using hot water. You warm the hot water, then you dip it inside and give your baby. So if then give your baby with this. Just like that, and your baby is good to be okay. Then before I forget, it also comes with a manual. I don't know where the manual is, but I'll just check it. I thought this is the manual, but no, this is the receipt that I used to order. Was brought with some things that I ordered. And just like that, guys. And let me not to be precise, these machines come in different forms, so it depends with the one you have. But if you have this, that's how it's being used and how it's you assemble it, to be precise. So thanks again, guys. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Please just pause the video and subscribe fast. And that's it. Bye. See you again in the next video. See ya.